guys, happy when you guys are seeing it, it is Thursday. So happy Thursday. And today it's Wednesday for me, but it's going to be your Thursday when you're seeing this. I am on my way into Joann's to see what's on sale. I kind of have an idea, but you guys know I want to be, spot on what I think the sales will be. So let's go ahead and go inside Joann's and see what's on sale. Come on with me. Let's go now. So you guys, I just got the sale, and the sale is Simplicity Patterns on sale. I'm gonna go ahead and put it up on the screen for those dates so you are aware, because your girl be getting it wrong. All right, so let's go ahead and scroll around the store and see what else is on sale now. So just to let you guys know, we have the cotton canvas on sale right now at $9.99, and it's good until December 4th. Continue with more sales. We have some specialty fleece and fur on sale until the 20th, which is 40% off. Let's continue. We have the special occasion on sale for 25% off, so make sure you look at that. Also, make sure you are looking at the 70% off last chance fabric, so make sure you are looking at that as well. Let's continue looking at other items. If you are into the knit, they have knit fabrics on sale, 25% off up here as well, so make sure you are looking at that knit fabric. This one is super gorgeous. It is a knit fabric. I actually like this one as well. It's a knit fabric as well. So yes, 25% off all the knit fabric. One last thing I want to tell you is denim is also on sale, 25% off if you're looking for any type of denim. Also, like these over here, which is like the special occasion glitter bug or any type of holiday fabric, is also 25% off as well. So those are your in-store Joann sales. Let's go ahead and get straight on over to Simplicity, because online it's the same sale that I gave you last week. So just go ahead and click on last week's sale. Let's go to Simplicity now. So let's go ahead and talk about simplicity.com. So I've been waiting all morning. It is now 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on November 7th, and simplicity.com have not released their newest sale. So with that being said, just stay tuned for today, later on today, hopefully tomorrow, tomorrow, they'll have a sale. So once I know the simplicity.com sale, I will post it in my community tab as well as on Instagram, so you're able to see that as well. So now that I talked about the simplicity.com sale, which is nothing at this time, let's go ahead and talk about VIKISEWS. So let's go ahead and get into the VIKISEWS sale. So right now, VIKISEWS is celebrating Vicky's birthday. And what that means is they are taking 53% off everything. Plus, when you buy 5 or more patterns, you get the Roberta Blazer course as a gift. So let's dive right on into this right quick. So first things first, so it is an amazing flash sale celebrating the brand founder Vicky's birthday that starts now. So what you get, as I just mentioned, you get 53% off all sewing patterns, detailed guided courses, mini courses, and their sew-alongs, okay? So the discount is as big as it's going to get. And I want to remind you that you won't see another sale like this anymore this year. So this is probably like the final sale if they decide to do a Black Friday sale, because you got to remember VIKISEWS is not a USA style sewing pattern thing, even though they offer their patterns to the US. All right. So you may not see another sale like this. So take advantage while you can. Moreover, they also have like 90 gifts to make you absolutely happy. So if you buy, like I just mentioned, if you buy 5 sewing patterns, you will get that Roberta Blazer sewing course for free. Now, if you already have it, you will get another course as a gift to you. All right. So just make sure you email them to let them know that you have it. Now, for instance, I'm just going to show you that I already have the course. So I already have the Pro Secret course. I did not pay $2.99 for it. However, I did pay when it was $115. I did pay that. So I already have that course. I already have the back course. I already have the Grace jacket sewing course. I already have the Morgan dress sewing course. I have the Paulina. I have a lot of different courses for, you know, this one. All right. And this is the Roberta course right here. Now, these are not the ones that I have, but I will show you in my dashboard what I already have. So this is the Roberta Blazer sewing course that they are referring to, that you will get for free when you buy 5 patterns. But the patterns are good. So it's easy to get this one for free, and you will like get a walkthrough on how to sew this blazer together. I love, you know, this blazer. I have not sewn it yet, but it is on my list to sew. Now I'm going to show you my dashboard, what's in my dashboard. So for instance, when I go to the courses, I will have the trench coat sewing course. I think I paid like $25 for that. The back course, I paid like $19, $20 for that. The Pro Secret course, I paid like $115. I got the Paulina dress course for free. The Roberta course right here is in my dashboard. If I go to course, it's going to take me directly to the Roberta Blazer sewing course. And these are the downloaded things that you will get. You will get the sewing workbook, how to do your lining, all the printables that you're going to need. Yes, there is an AO file, and the AO file is for you to get it print at the copy shop to where you don't have to tape pages together if that's not your style. All right. So this is the lessons that's in there. I'm not going to go through all of that because it's a lot of material. But just know you have 31 different lessons in this course. All right. So getting back into the patterns. Now, one thing I will mention about the patterns is that the patterns are super cheap this time around. All right. So the cheapest pattern I saw was $3.76. Like this Claudia skirt is $3.76. That is a steal for a VIKISEWS pattern. Okay. So you could get that. And remember when about a week or two ago, I was talking about the blazer that you can get as well. So with the blazer, I think it's like $4.73. So it's $4.70 Ricarda blazer. So you could get the Ricarda blazer and the skirt, you know, for as little as, I want to say $8.46 if my math is serving me well. You can get both of those for $8.46. All right. And then you can put whatever other ones you want. Make sure that you have 5 so you can get that Roberta Blazer course for free. Now, here's the thing. I think that this sale right here on VIKISEWS website at VIKISEWS, you can see it at the top, VIKISEWS.com, is cheaper than the sale on Etsy. And I'll show you here in a second why. So if you are looking to get some VIKISEWS patterns, this is your time to get it for the cheapest and the low. All right. So this is your VIKISEWS sale going on right now. It doesn't have an end date, but I'm going to say it probably will end in about 2 days or by the end of the weekend. So if you're looking for VIKISEWS patterns, get it now. Do not wait. All right. Let's go ahead and move over to VIKISEWS patterns on Etsy. Now, this is the reason why I'm saying that if you're looking for a VIKISEWS pattern, the sale on their website seems to be a little bit better than the sale on Etsy. So let's just say that you're looking for the Rihanna blazer right here on Etsy. So for the Etsy cost, the cheapest is $3.76, but the most expensive one is $7.87. Now, if I jump back over to VIKISEWS website and I type in the Rihanna blazer, that Rihanna blazer is sitting at about $10. But this is the video tutorial for $10. However, if you're looking for the pattern, it's $4.70, okay? So if you're looking for this blazer, which I think is amazing, already have it, it's $4.70, and then you could get the video tutorial as well. Now, I'm just gonna show you my cart real quick. This is what my cart, my favorites. It's not my cart, my favorites. These are the ones that I'm looking at purchasing, right? The Reese's dress, the Carmela dress, you know, what have you. But if you notice that I have a lot of hacking guides in my cart, and these are patterns that I already have, which is why I put the hacking guide in my favorites to go back and buy. Now, it's originally $6, but I'm going to pick them up for $2.82. So if you have patterns and you didn't even know that they have a pattern hacking guide, you can definitely go back to VIKISEWS now, get their pattern hacking guide for the low low of $2.82. You're welcome. All right. So that is your VIKISEWS.com sale, as well as your VIKISEWS patterns on Etsy as well. Now, my final sale that I'm going to be telling you about is the sale that's going on right now, which is McCall's. Okay. So this just came in, and the McCall sale is at Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby, I don't know if they just started doing sales once again, but McCall's will be on sale at Hobby Lobby for $4.99. I was just given this news last night. So if you are central to Hobby Lobby, go to Hobby Lobby. If you need some McCall patterns or whatnot, go and get your patterns from Hobby Lobby for $4.99. All right. So those are all the sales. So let me go ahead and run this back one last time for you guys this week, because it's a lot going on this week. First, go over to Joann's in stores only. That sale is Simplicity Patterns on sale for $2.99. If for some reason you can't find something in stores, go to simplicity.com, but wait and see if there's an updated sale sometimes later on today or tomorrow. All right. Make sure you head over to VIKISEWS.com, their website, VIKISEWS.com, and check out their 53% off sale for Vicky's birthday. And if for some reason you can't find what you're looking for on VIKISEWS.com, I don't know why, but you can also go to VIKISEWS Patterns on Etsy and see what they have there. Now, make sure you know that VIKISEWS.com, the website, it is off of their patterns, their courses, their pattern hacking guide. All of those things are all on sale. All right. And then finally, Hobby Lobby is having McCall's patterns for $4.99. So if you need some McCall patterns this week, make sure you head over to Hobby Lobby, or you could do like me and just wait to see what Simplicity will have on sale. All right. So those are the sales this week. You already know what to do. Give your girl 2 thumbs up. And like this video if you like content like this. If you have not done so already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and join the family so you can get more content like this brought to you every single week. All right, well, that's my time. Let me know what you score. Show me your haul, and I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, keep sewing.